These are the different snacks I made for my toddler this week. First up, the OG roasted makana. It's his absolute favorite and I make it every week. Next, I made dry fruits laddu. It was my first time trying them and they turned out really good. My little one loved them. Next, I made peanut butter, creamy, homemade, and packed with nutrients. I use it as a spread in the bread, in porridges, and even in the cake that I bake next. And finally, this carrot cake. I can't believe how well it turned out. And my son, he loved it too. Let me know in comments if you want detailed recipes of each of these. I would love to share them.